Hello, and welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, 161 megawatt waste-to-energy plant comes online in Finland. Jersey plans recycling centre alongside its existing waste-to-energy plant. New automotive battery recycling plant brings benefits to South Carolina. And Sims Municipal opens recycling education centre at New York MRF. A waste-to-energy facility with a combined heat and power output of over 160 megawatts has been inaugurated in Vantaa, Finland. The €300 million plant will process around 320,000 tonnes of waste every year, produce 62 megawatts of electricity and 99 megawatts of heat. The facility is located alongside an existing combined cycle power station. Here's a look at how the project was developed.
There was a little bit surprise for everybody, for Vantaa Energy and us, how big this plant will be and how much construction work is needed. It's very complex process. It's a combination of two different power plant processes, the normal waste to energy power plant and then this gas turbine combined cycle power plant.
The total plant is two units combined. The efficiency is 95%, but the waste lines itself it's 98% or even more. We are also producing our own water from flue gas condenser, so it's very environmental friendly.
The Transport and Technical Services Department on Jersey has published plans to increase recycling. It is seeking planning approval for a new purpose-built household waste recycling centre to be located on reclaimed land alongside the existing La Colette waste-to-energy facility. This is what the plans look like.
La Colette will be TTS's base for solid waste management with the energy from waste plant, which provides up to 7% of the island's power, aggregates recycling for the construction industry, the recycling park encompassing facilities for receiving green waste from the public and commercial enterprises for processing into compost, comprehensive public recycling facilities and a facility for scrap metal recycling which will benefit from the proximity of the harbour, easing export. In the future, La Colette will be a changed area, welcoming to the customer, clearly signposted with easy-to-use facilities and pleasant coastal landscaping. Making recycling easier is key to increasing recycling. Our plans for La Colette will help make Jersey more sustainable.
Lead-acid battery manufacturer Johnson Controls has published a video highlighting the benefits its new automotive battery recycling facility is bringing to Florence, South Carolina.
Welcome to Florence, South Carolina, home to the country's first automotive battery recycling facility in 20 years.
It means new investment, new jobs, and I think it speaks volumes about the community.
When we made the decision to come here, the plan was we would build a sustainable plant. That's why we have state-of-the-art equipment. That's why we have gone above and beyond the environmental regulations, because we owe it to the community to be a leader.
The Florence Recycling Center will help Johnson Controls maintain a reliable source of raw material for battery production, thus ensuring an adequate supply of material and containing consumer costs. It also means we've created 250 new jobs and supported more than 1,000 indirect jobs in the Florence community.
Jobs that really represent substantial wage levels, terrific benefits and the like. But more critically than that, it provides us with a good corporate partner locating in Florence that has a stellar reputation.
And finally, Sims Municipal has opened a recycling education centre at its Sunset Park recycling facility in New York City. Aideen Quinn explains more.
My name is Aideen Quinn. I work for Sims Municipal Recycling at our Recycling Education Center. It's mostly targeted for 3rd through 8th graders, but there's a lot that can be applicable to younger and even older people. The younger kids, there's a lot of interactive displays where they can pick up cans, bottles, practice sorting them. We have screens where they can watch the machine sort things for them. We have magnets where they can turn a conveyor belt and watch the magnet pull things off the line. And we have an air compressor where they can shoot the plastic in the right bin.
Recycling in New York City needs constant education. This facility really allows children to get their hands on how the sorting can happen and shows them also a lot about the materials they use every day, whether or not it's metal or different types of plastic or paper. They get to actually have their hands on how it gets sorted and see the technology we're using.
For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.